What's up, YouTube? Thank you for tuning back into the channel. So a lot of people have been asking me on my YouTube comments and Instagram comments, where's the 550? What happened with it? Did I sell it? Did it break down? Well, if you didn't notice on my Instagram story, or probably actually a month or two ago, I got into a car accident. It was a little small car accident, nothing too crazy. Just kind of like a fender bender. So I'm gonna pull up some pictures of the accident and what you should see the other driver's car. Actually, I think I came out on top on this one. But definitely first wasn't my fault, so that's good. Damages weren't too bad, but the great thing about it all is the car is back. It's pretty much the same as it was before. All I did was just fix the bumper, trunk, and some other miscellaneous stuff. But there's still a few more pieces that's still damaged that I need to wait for parts on. So like my carbon fiber diffuser, still need that. I'm waiting on the supplier to ship it out, and just my rear bumper tow hook and some other things, some other miscellaneous things. Let me show you what it looks like at this moment. Alright, so this is how it sits right now. If you look, still got some damage on the diffuser. This is still the old diffuser. So it's just got completely scuffed and gashed. And then over here was also scuffed and gashed, but this is a brand new bumper, so that's all good now. And then tow hook is missing. But that's coming. Everything else is fine. Everything else is back to normal. Just a small hiccup. Glad I'm safe. Glad the car is not totaled. But more importantly, I'm just glad to have it back now, so I can continue making content for you guys. Speaking of content, let's go ahead and get a cold start. So a lot of y'all might be mad that it wasn't as loud as my exhaust video was when it had the cold start option enabled. Fortunately, I had to turn that off because it's too loud. It's really just too loud. And I moved and I'm in a neighborhood now. I'm trying to be respectful of my neighbors. I got people right next to me right now, but it still sounds good though. It just hit boost season. I mean, in Georgia, we're getting like 40, 50 degree weather consistently throughout the past week or so. So, boost season is back, man. Enjoy. I will. I think now is a great time to just go for a quick drive and then we can continue talking. The headrest came out during the accident. This is to prevent whiplash from the driver. In order to reset this, there's a kit that BMW sells that we had to order. Still hasn't came in yet, but it's just like a small tube or something like that. Some small device. It goes into the headrest somewhere and then resets it, and then we're good to go. So now I have to deal with the driver restraint system error that always shows up. It's persistent, so every time I turn on the car, it comes back on. I can get rid of it by pressing the BC column on the steering wheel. But every time I turn it on, it comes back on. Also, peep the mileage, 106. 106 and still looking clean. Clean as 550 out there. Y'all let me know if I am. I think so. We're in the 550, just driving around. I'm getting to a decent spot to stop and talk to you guys, but I wanted to make sure I get y'all some clips I don't know if y'all can hear those burbles. I'm debating on turning them off, but y'all let me know if y'all like them or not. Probably have another POV with them on. Every single time I drive this car, it's always just a wonderful experience. Like, it's like that V8 sound, twin turbo, hot V setup. It just sounds so good, especially with my exhaust system. If y'all haven't already, make sure y'all check out the exhaust video so y'all can have your 550 sound exactly like mine. Brutal, man. All right, let me chill out. There's a police station nearby, but I had the tunnel. Y'all know if y'all see a tunnel, you have to go for the opportunity. That was CarPlay. Turn that down. Every time. All right, y'all. So. Turn these lights so y'all can see better. So I still have the Baskey Speedworks tune. Shout out Baskey. Use my code Novus50 on his website to get some money off your purchase. But yeah, still on his tune. Still on E40. Still got the freaking turbos. What? Still got the turbos, the upgraded turbos. And I mean, the car is still running as it should. So I think I'm still in a good spot. So you good? Sorry. All right, so yeah, car's back, car's good. It's a few pieces that I need to get to finish off the body work, but yeah, that's kind of what's been going on. I haven't had the car in over, I want to say it was 2 months. The accident happened on August 3rd. All right, so August 3rd. And then I had it for a little bit after the accident, but I was waiting to find a shop to go ahead and do the work for me. Shout out to TS1 Auto Works in Tucker, Georgia. I won't lie, I did have the idea of selling the car, but I don't really have a full reason yet to sell it. I think it's kind of maybe I went too fast with the build, and I to be honest, I was full bolt on pretty quickly. So I didn't really experience the car at stock for too long. But honestly, I don't want to get rid of the car. I think I'm pretty solid on that. But I want to continue making more content for you guys, and I want to experience this car some more, because I'm not at my full potential with this car yet. Like I have this vision with the car and how it's supposed to look, how it's supposed to perform, what it's supposed to be capable of, and I want to achieve those goals before I move on to the next project. So it's staying, 550 staying, more content on the 550, more pictures, more videos, reels, whatever, yada yada. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see more of the content. To be honest, it's easier to make Instagram content than it is to make YouTube. So if I make like a nice video or a nice reel, or take some nice shots with the camera, then I'll post them there. YouTube will get the DIYs, vlogs. I don't know if I can do vlogs, to be honest with you, but I'll try to do some vlogs just for you guys. But yeah, we're good. We're gonna continue to build the 550, keep it up, and keep you guys updated on what's going on. But I can't let you guys go without a little bit more of the 550. I know that's what y'all want. All right, y'all don't want to hear me talk. I'm just a driver. That's it. Y'all here for the car, because you guys are the drivers too in your 550s. If you're about to get one, you're about to get one. I hope you get one. You will be the driver. Go ahead and enjoy it. But yeah. So let's get you some more clips and then I'm out. All right. Thanks, y'all. Appreciate you.